Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg korma. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and lightly pricked. Also, prepare 2 large onions, finely sliced, and have your ginger garlic paste ready. Don't forget your plain yogurt and a touch of heavy cream for that rich texture. Next, let's create the aromatic base for our korma. Sauté your finely sliced onions in a pan with a tablespoon of oil until they are beautifully golden brown and caramelized. Once cooled, blend these fried onions with a generous amount of ginger garlic paste and a splash of water to form a smooth, rich paste. This step is crucial for depth of flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add whole spices like green cardamom and cloves. Then, add your prepared onion paste and cook it until the oil begins to separate. Stir in the plain yogurt, heavy cream, and your powdered spices, cooking gently. Finally, add the hard-boiled eggs and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. To finish, garnish your delicious egg korma with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro leaves. This adds a lovely freshness and vibrant color. Serve your hot, creamy egg korma alongside some fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. It's a comforting and flavorful meal that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.